News, views, voices of the global Indian community. India abroad.
हर हर महादेव, संगठन में शक्ति है।
So hello, my name is Rohit Deshpande. So today we did our 5K event, which is an annual event. But this year we also clubbed it with Seva National Day of Service, 9/11 National Day of Service, which started in 2009. So we are partnering with AmeriCorps and various other organizations across the country. This year's theme was environmental stewardship. So we did more than 150 events across the country, and in DC itself we did more than a dozen events, various types of events for environmental stewardship. As we go, like in next 2 weeks, we are doing these events in 32 different chapters. There are various types of events, like in New Jersey we are doing a national memorial for Day of Service, which is like a World Trade Center and replica of World Trade Center and all that. So it's going to be an amazing event this week. As I speak right now, this week we have more than a dozen commemoration events happening around. So there are, as I said, there are quite a few events that happened this year. So these guys can talk like kind of events that we had and kind of enthusiasm that we got around the around this tri-state area.
So my name is Narsimha Koppula and from Seva International. This event is so important because a lot of younger generation were not even born when 9/11 happened. So this initiative by Seva and AmeriCorps is to remember the fallen heroes, the great American tragedy. So what better way to commemorate those unfortunate events but also remember the fallen heroes is by doing the Seva activities, environmental activities, and especially involving the youth. So they understand the value of the service and at the same time remember the fallen heroes. And I applaud all the youth for participating this.
Hello, my name is Tommy Deshpande. I'm a student that volunteered in this 5K run. So obviously I wasn't born, as he said, on September 11th, but as like youth and as people, we have been working for environmental events, and as Americans and as like people who were born in this country, we understand the idea of patriotism, and that's exactly what Seva has been doing this entire year. We've been focusing on doing many environmental events, many that I've also been part of, and while working with other people, other adults, other students, other kids, I was able to realize how much, when we bond together, how much we can do as a team. So it was great from Seva to do this event because it motivates us so much to do this for people that died on September 11th. So I had a great time personally, and just it motivates me to do these things because of what it means to this country and what it means to us as people here.
Hi, my name is Mukund Mari. Like he said, we were running today to commemorate 9 people that died in 9/11. It's such a great cause, and we had some fun running the 5K. This cause helped us persevere through the race, and we had a lot of fun today.
My name's Veda. I'm really grateful for being part of this event, and I think the motivation from the others and like the energy that we got from others helped us really push today. And I think everyone did a great job running today. And along with that, I think the environmental stuff we do for Seva is a really good thing.